Well, these are going to be 5.5. You can go anywhere from 4 to 6 feet depending on how much deflection you have in the walls. Like the more deflection you have, you know, you want to get them closer. But these aren't as bad. The bottoms are sheared off, but the rest of them are pretty solid. So we're going to go 5.5 foot centers. Cement floor.
Drill it right into the cement floor?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
A different type of a bracket made for cement. These big things.
Okay.
They're huge. Well, first you got your marks already pre-made, so you just put your bracket in place and level it. You just drill your anchor bolts. The thing is, they go to hell with everything, right?
Oh, don't I know it? Yeah, no, you'd be in disposable coveralls, full face.
Well, yeah, we have those for when we're in crawl spaces and stuff.
Job like.
So I just anchored it to the base plate to the top. Used the long bolt.
So it doesn't fall on your head.
Yeah, that's the honest.
And that's what helps to stabilize the wall, correct?
Yes.
50 psi. Do them all at 50. Put it quick out, and you go back and retorque them to 60.